back, hobby raiders, bone to the collectors, and people who said I'm not starting another army, and then immediately started another army. This week, the Maelstrom explodes, chaos engines crawl back out of the warp, bones are being itemized, dwarves show up with ancestral grudges, and at least one company said humans will make our games. Thank you very much. This is episode 15. It has narrative expansions, pirates, demon engines, tree perfume, and a court case. Let's sail directly into the storm. Hobby scandals. The Chaos Defiler reborn. The forges of chaos have retched forth a new atrocity. Chaos Defiler reborn. The classic crab tank demon engine returns with a fresh sculpt, sharper details, and somehow even more legs. The scandal: the internet split into 3 camps. 1, this is peak 40k and I love it. 2, why does it still have that many limbs? 3, they should have redesigned it completely. Meanwhile, Iron Warriors players are quietly whispering, it was perfect, it only needed more spikes. It's iconic, it's grotesque, it still looks like it crawled out of a toolbox possessed by a demon. And honestly, that's kind of the point. Community Watch. Catalyst Game Labs draws a line. In a move that shook parts of the tabletop internet, Catalyst Game Labs released a clearer policy on generative AI. The headline: they will not knowingly publish art or text predominantly created by generative AI tools. Human creators, human contracts, human accountability. If freelancers use AI at concept stages, it must be disclosed. Violations: you may never work with them again. Community reactions: artists relieve, some tech bros mildly annoyed. Everyone else, oh wow, clarity. In a hobby that thrives on creative labor, this is a big cultural marker. Clear stance, clear expectations, zero fog. And whether you agree or disagree, you can't argue that it's vague. Brush tips nobody asked for. Today's unsolicited wisdom. If you're overwhelmed by a release wave, paint terrain. No one emotionally spirals over dry brushing a rock. It builds momentum. It clears your head. And it makes your table look better. You don't need another centerpiece. You need basing materials and emotional stability. Now a word from our sponsors. This episode is sponsored by Maelstrom Vacation Packages, Trademark Incorporated. Tired of predictable holidays? Come visit the Maelstrom. Featuring warp anomalies, pirate raids, and misrepresented trade reassignment. Book now and receive a complimentary shoulder pad upgrades, a cursed narrative supplement, and 1 slightly unstable void captain. Maelstrom Vacation Packages, Trademark Incorporated. It's not piracy if you call it exploration. Events and exposés. The Maelstrom Lair of the Tyrant, released February 14th, the next major narrative expansion for Warhammer 40k. Warhammer 40,000, the Maelstrom Lair of the Tyrant, a boxed slipcase set of books following the format of 500 Worlds Titus. The setting: the maddening vortex of the Maelstrom. The players: Huron Blackheart returns and leads the Red Corsairs personally, alongside Garridan the Corpse Master, Qatar Garrix, Garlan Soul Eater, Captain Sargota, the Enforcer, and her Barbeshi pup, Plunder. The models, incredible. The vibe, Space Pirate Warlord with executive authority. Battleforce Lords of the Maelstrom, Red Corsair Raiders, Reeve Captain Terminators, Trader Guardsmen, upgrade sprues galore. Available while stocks last. Translation, you have approximately 6 minutes to decide. Battleforce Endrick Outriders, Prince Ural returns with a new plastic glory. Corsair Skyreavers, Void Dreamer, Void Reavers, Starfang Viper Kit. Elegant, deadly, fast. Drukhari Maelstrom Battalion, Succubus, Venoms, Reavers, Hellions, and Witches. Witch Cult Energy at full throttle. Leagues of Voltan Battalion, Memnir Strategists, Harkin Pioneers, Ironkin Steeljacket. It's not piracy, it's asset reassignment. Archmagos Terminus the Hastarii, Enter Tulia Guild, Archmagos Terminus of Mars, War Obsessed. Ordo Reductor Veteran, beloved by Siktari, hates diplomacy, accompanied by Hastarii Heavy Infantry, Exterminators, Fusiliers. This is Mechanicus saying, we brought bigger guns and one heck of a caboose. Iron Warriors momentum, with Warsmith, Kravik, Morn already active. This expansion ties Iron Warriors, Defilers, Siege Warfare into one bigger armored nightmare. Chaos is eating well. Age of Sigmar, Grove Guardian, and Sylvaneth. The Grove Guardian arrives alongside a new Battletome Sylvaneth. Tree Spirits, Motherly Murder Energy, Seasonal Violence. Battle Forces, Strong Root Grove, Spitwig Flight Spearhead, Twisted Branch Regiment, Valentine's Day Fragrances. No, it is Fertilizer and Vengeance. Ossiarch Bonereapers Wave, Battletome Ossiarch Bonereapers, Standard End Gamers Edition, new units, Liege Kavanos on War Chariot, Liege Mortic, Mortic Triaxes, Mortis Reapers, Mortison Soul Reaper, Spearhead Clavicos Vanguard, Heralds of the Bone Tith Regiment, Bones, more Bones, Premium Bone Accessories. Nagash is very pleased. AOS Terrain reissues, Cleaning Aquilith, Nexus Siphon, Guardian Idol, Megadroth remains. Your table can now look like Sigmar started a construction project and walked away. Warcrow welcomes dwarves. Corvus Belli expands Warcrow with Mount Haven dwarves. Orichalcum Smiths, Ancestral Tech, Magic Resistance. Princess Ogla, these dwarves don't rush, they calculate. Then they bring industrial heritage to your face. Konflikt 47 roadmap. Festung Europa is live, roadmap confirmed, mechs inbound. Konflikt 47 is officially off the runway and marching forward. Blood and Plunder 1.4 errata, celebrating 10 years, balanced adjustments, tournament refinement. When a game calmly issues errata and the community says, yeah, that makes sense, you know it's healthy. Rotating minigame. Miniature Court. Welcome to Miniature Court. Case number 921, the Unpainted Leader. The accused, a player who fielded a fully painted army, except the Warlord. The defense, I'm still deciding the color scheme. Prosecution, you've had 6 months. Verdict, guilty of aesthetic negligence. Sentence, base rim must be painted immediately. No edge highlights until compliance. Court adjourned. Predictions and closing remarks. This week's predictions: the Maelstrom boxes will sell out. Someone will argue the Defiler had more soul before. Ossiarch players will calculate bone efficiency spreadsheets. Dwarves will hold grudges. And the AI policy debates will continue. You'll still paint. you'll still buy and you'll still pretend you planned it all. Thank you for listening to episode 15. If you've enjoyed it, leave a review and help get the word out by sharing this episode with your fellow gamers. Now go roll some dice. And if you're going into the Maelstrom, bring legal documentation.